Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one audience and one promise because focus wins. Decide a target watch time, for example 5 minutes, then craft a 15-30-second cold open that teases the payoff and drops a hook. Upload today, don't wait for perfection, and set the thumbnail, title, and one pinned comment that directs viewers to stay. Once done, watch first-minute retention and the click-through. These early signals tell you what to double down on. You now focus on structure. Break your video into short segments and use chapters roughly every 60-90 seconds so viewers can see forward momentum. Layer pattern interrupts like cuts, B-roll, a quick question, or on-screen text to re-engage attention before it wanes. Make scenes 8-12 seconds on average, insert a mid-video cliff or promise, and deliver a payoff. As you edit, compare retention graphs and iterate until watch time rises consistently. Then replicate what works. You finish by creating a clear call to action that funnels viewers to the next video. Use playlists to auto-sequence content so watch sessions lengthen. A /B test end screens, thumbnails, and one title tweak every 48 to 72 hours to learn what increases session time. If retention suddenly drops, troubleshoot. Trim the first 30-60 seconds, reframe the hook, and check for misleading thumbnails. Make sure to monitor analytics. Implement one change at a time, and repeat until watch time climbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.